Hi guys, welcome to Easy Peasy Gardening. My name is Ruchi and I'm guessing you know what we are going to do today. So here is a rosemary plant and my friends have been telling me that they want a rosemary plant. So I'm going to make some for them. So what we are going to do is that we are going to get some cuttings and then grow them. So if you come closer, there are several types of cuttings here. Like this one is pretty strong. This one is very soft. So you don't want very thick one like this. You don't want that big a cutting because that will be difficult to grow in water. This one is okay. This one is probably too soft. So we'll take this kind of cutting. So I'll take one cutting and maybe two cuttings here, okay? And then from the bottom, just remove all these leaves, just from the bottom, and put them in water. I'll show you. Let's go to our workstation and you can see. So this is what we got just now. So I just put the cuttings in the water. I'm going to put it inside my home on a windowsill where it doesn't get much direct sunlight, but it gets a lot of light, and leave it there. And in 2 to 3 weeks, some of these should grow fruit. Now here, some of these I had put 3 weeks ago. I see that one has big root. This one has very small root coming out, but probably this is not ready for planting right now. And this one also doesn't have root. There's one more. Let's see what happened to that one. Even this one doesn't have root. So I guess only one of these is ready. So what I'm going to do here is I have this small planter. I'm just going to dig a hole here. It has drainage at the bottom and it has good potting soil mix. I'll just make a hole and put this in and just cover it with soil. And that's it. And I'll water it because this stem was very happy in the water, and now we moved it into the soil, so it must have gotten a shock. So we need to, rosemary otherwise likes a lot of sun, but for now we have to take extra care of this, and we are going to put it in a shaded area where it stays warm and it's humid over there so that it gets time to recuperate. And then we'll see how it is performing and we'll come back to you. So it's been 6 weeks that we planted this rosemary cutting in the soil. So this was kept in full sun, and you can see that it has grown taller and it is growing some side shoots also. This is all new growth, but it has not grown as much as I had expected. It is definitely taller. So I'm just going to take it out to show you, how the roots have developed. Here, look at this. So, sometimes this is what happens when you feel that the plant is not growing from the top, but inside they are just growing the whole root system. So, just be patient. And wait. Once the root system is developed, then it will start to grow on top also. So this definitely means that the plant is well developed, the root system is developed, and now it will just start to grow on top also. I'm just going to put it back. So I hope this video was informative to you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.